Hi guys, welcome to Coding Masters. Raju sir here. I am giving this short a simple one. How you are going to start your career as a generative artificial intelligence engineer. First, minimum Python basics. Guys, Python basics are making you unique in Gen AI. Because once you are entering into artificial intelligence, Python is a major component, no comparison. Once Python basics successfully you completed, then concentrate on Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc. There are the many libraries available. After that, mathematics, which is playing major role to build Gen AI models in a better way. Statistics, linear algebra, probability, calculus. What are the topics exactly you required? I'll take a separate video session. After that, when you need to try on machine learning. A machine learning process always starts with a better EDA, explorative EDA, explore data analysis. What exactly the meaning of EDA? EDA level you are doing, the best thing is called cleaning. Now we are entering, after the EDA process, we are entering into machine learning models development. There are a couple of machine learning models available. After that one, deep learning. After that one, NLP. After that, we are entering into large language models, that before transformers. Once we know all these information, basic to advanced level very clearly, then we are starting to implement the generative artificial intelligence models like Midjourney, Grok, of course it is a LLM, Gemini, DeepSeek, Suno.ai, Napkin, Lovable, like this number of applications are entering into in our real-time models. So our main focus is completely hands-on experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you one and all.